Welcome back to the Shave Den, guys. It's your friend Ali DZ, and today we are doing Gillette Pro Glide versus the Proof razor, which is a single edge razor and it takes a half of a safety blade or a safety razor blade. So we all know the procedure, guys. I'm going to get some warm water on my face, get the shaving foam ready, have a nice good layer on my face, some good amount of protection. I like Mueller soaps. Mueller soaps are great. They're very, on point with their notes and scents. This particular soap from Mueller has got notes of, grapes and it's citrusy, but it's not very in the face, like it's just perfect. All right, so now that I've been using, the brush and getting some good lather going on my face for a good 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna make sure there's enough moisture in there. All right, and now I'll start shaving the first side of my face with a Cartridge razor. Okay, now this particular razor has 5 blades at the front and 1 blade at the back, which can be used as a precision trimmer. So it helps you shave very comfortably and you can deal with tricky spots like the ones under your nose or your sideburns. All right, now to shave with these razors, guys, place them flat on your face, a little more pressure than you would ideally apply with your safety razors, and they do a good job. Okay, so yeah, it's dealt with the growth on the face, which is about 3 days worth. No problems whatsoever. I mean, what I really like about cartridge razors is the tricky areas of shaving, like your chin. You just roll with it. And you don't have to think too much. Now, if you are using cartridge razors, guys, I have found a huge difference when you shave with, those canned foams. They dry up and they are primarily a big reason that can cause you irritation with your shaves. So, try and shave with a good quality soap. It really will add to the way you shave and the quality of your shave as well. All right, so that's the one side of my face all done. And now, just to make sure I've got some good moisture and lather, on the safety razor side or the Proof razor. Okay, here we go. Nice. So more blades doesn't necessarily mean a better shave, guys. Smooth, really, really smooth. Yep, good. So that spot under the nose for me is really tricky, and the only area where this head is too big to shave just normally, so I had to just go cross grain, and that's it. Okay, now this area of my neck, the hair growth is upwards, so I'm going to face the razor upside down. And that's it, done. Okay, I'm going to rinse all the extra soap off my face. Oh wow, there's some mist spots on my neck. Just going off the first pass, guys, and how the shave feels. The cartridge razor is much more smoother and cleaner as compared to the safety razor side. I'm gonna do another pass because either of them are not very clean shaved for me, or not 100% BBS, so I'm going to do another pass, and this one's going to be a pass that's against the grain. All right, and we're ready for the next pass. Swipe the soap off my lips, and let's go. All right, so next pass is against the grain with the cartridge razor. Now, definitely very draggy here. It's not very comfortable. So with a 5-bladed cartridge razor, I normally prefer using the power variant. Because I'm sure you can hear that feedback. Man, it's not very pleasant. That's the one thing I don't enjoy with the Pro Glides anymore. But the shave is absolutely clean. Like, that is a very clean BBS shave in the books from the Pro Glide. All right, now we're going to go with the proof razor and go against the grain. Remember, this part of my neck, the hair grows upwards, and hence I'm shaving downwards. Perfect. Okay, and now the face. It is really doing the job. So I guess the tricky area for me is just under the nose with this razor. Like I said, I have to just go cross grain, and that's that done. All right, so 2 passes on both sides, guys. Have I missed any spots? Nope. I'm gonna wash my face off. Now I'm gonna run my hands on my face, and I want you to see as well. Guys, if you are sick of cartridge razors, you know, not just the dragging part, but the cost of these extremely expensive cartridges, and you want to move to the safety razors but want the convenience of a cartridge razor, look into single edge razors, look into the proof razor. This one is probably the closest you will find and the perfect, I'd say, mashup between a traditional safety razor as well as the cartridge razor's features. So you've got one blade, actually half the blade, and that does the job really well. Look, I'm just gonna put some aftershave splash on my face for now and close off the shave. The splash I'm using is Imperial leather. Now, to answer the question, guys, do the single edge razors, does the proof razor shave as good as the Gillette Fusion razor with 5 blades? The answer is not just yes, they actually shave a little better than the Pro Glide, okay? The shave quality, as you can see and tell, is the exact same. I have a nice clean shave which took 2 passes, okay? Now the first pass, obviously the cartridge razor, you know, does a much better job than the single edge razors or the proof razor in particular. It's the second pass that you try feeling the shave is a little different, especially when you go against the grain. These cartridge razors, especially the non-powered versions, they will give you a level of drag that can be uncomfortable to some. I know for me it was, but if you're using power handles, you won't feel it. Proof razor, comfortable, gave me the exact same shave quality. So my answer is yes, of course, like go with single edge razors, go with the proof razor over the Fusion Pro Glide, you know, for simple things like a daily shave. Now, if you're paying too much for these cartridges and if you're sick of the cost of the cartridges, the proof razor just takes half a blade and gives you a shave as good as your cartridge razor, okay? Now, the only area where the Fusion Pro Glide stands out or does a better job than any other razor, including the proof razor, is that blade at the back. Okay, the comfort that I have shaving under the nose and shaving my sideburns with that one blade, the precision trimmer, because it is so precise and easy to get into any corners, especially, it's amazing. That's where I think that particular blade does wonders. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the fight of the Gillette Fusion Pro Glide versus the proof razor and the proof razor 1. You know, this is a fun video again. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, like the video without fail. I'll see you next time with another razor, another review, another product. Until then, stay safe guys and stay classy.